So imagine this, you can travel around the Philippines and speak with locals very clearly. You ace the job interview or confidently handle a client presentation because you are fluent in Tagalog. Or maybe you connect with Filipino friends, relatives, or even your family. No? Even your family. Without hesitation, you can talk to them. So why just imagine when you can make it happen? So by the way, hi! My name is Jericho and I am an online Tagalog teacher. By the way, you can call me Teacher Echo. I teach Tagalog for work, for travel, and of course for everyday communication. With years of experience teaching students from different backgrounds or nationalities, I've helped them, the learners, become more fluent, engaged, and of course confident in using the language or the Tagalog or Filipino language. So whether you are learning Tagalog for, let's say, professional work or professional growth rather, for travel or to better connect with the Filipino people, I'm here to support you every step of the way. So if you are interested or if you are ready to start your Tagalog journey, you can start or you can book a trial lesson with me now. And let's make your goals, of course, a reality. So I hope to see you in my class. By the way, in Tagalog, ano pang hinihintay mo? Mag-book na ng trial lesson sa akin at simulan na natin ang iyong pagkatuto.